Oh, yeah, it's switching up. It's
going that way.
Severe weather ranging from extreme storms to F1 tornadoes has hit Princeton and other parts of Indiana in recent days. The National Weather Service confirmed a brief but powerful tornado struck the town of about 8,000 people around 4 p.m. without warning. The tornado traveled more than a mile, with maximum winds of up to 105 miles per hour, causing damage to Princeton Community High School and several homes. The tornado started near the school and left a trail of destruction that stretched about 8 blocks as the tornado was on the ground for about 3 minutes. Several videos circulating on social media showed the moment the powerful tornado struck several areas in and around Indiana.
Oh, yeah, it's switching up. It's
going that way.
Look at this. Right in front of me. Right there.
Super look.
The building down there has the tree in it.
So right now we're here at Seminary. I'm walking from Pine towards Oak, and we've had some heavy winds.
Yeah, it's switching up. It's
going that way.
Look at this. Right in front of me. Right there.
This is a lot. Buddy, let's get back.
Indiana Governor Mike Braun declared a state of emergency Friday because of the recent tornadoes and flooding in the state. Larger hail was also reported in some areas, with the largest hailstone reported at 2.25 inches, about the size of a tennis ball, in Albertville, Alabama. All of these weather threats are reported to be possible by Friday afternoon, including hail, damaging winds, and possibly a few weaker tornadoes.
One more time for a tornado warning. This one
Oh, yeah, it's switching up. It's
going that way.
Look at this. Right in front of me. Right there.
Super look.
Which is a block away from me. It's basically right over there. So this is Princeton. This is as far as I've gotten.